everybody, my name is Justin Logston, and I'm going down 160 south from Berlin, PA. Coming through in a good old winter storm tonight. Trick of it is just to go and be calm, drive slow, and take your time. Yeah, the road's slick. The snow's kind of hard to see through, but as long as you can keep an eye on both sides, you're still golden. And I like to sing sometimes if I get a little bit too anxious. Hey there, what's wrong? Can I help you so long? Just give me a chance to prove I can be more, and I'll go as far as I can. I won't hold back. I'll keep moving forward and keep on trucking. Just keep moving forward and never look back. Alright, I'm not the best singer, but the main thing is that I'm trying to remain calm driving in a winter storm. So if you got that much, God bless. And everybody have a Merry Christmas ahead.